Seventh sum, interval minus 1 to 1, 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 7 into dx. Solution, let I equal to interval minus 1 to 1, 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 7 into dx. So we should put t equal x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to t we should take. It's a differentiate with respect to x. X square differentiate then 2x plus 3x differentiate then what is here 3. Constant 7 differentiate then what is the 0. So 2x plus 3 into dx equal to t differentiate then dt. So change the limit when x equal to first limit is what minus 1. X equal to minus 1, then substitute t equal to 1 square, x square plus 3x plus 7 we know that. So minus 1 whole square, x is minus 1. Next plus 3 into x is what minus 1 plus 7 equal to minus 1 whole square is what plus 1 plus 1. 3 into minus 1 is what minus 3 plus 7 equal to, it's a 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 7 is what plus 5 is the first limit. Next when x equal to, what is the second limit 1 implies, so what is then t equal to, substitute 1 is for t, x value 1, so 1 square plus 3 into x value 1 plus 7 equal to 1 square is what 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 7. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is what 11. So we should substitute in I equal to, we know that interval, change the limit of first limit minus 1 is what is here 5. Next x is equal to 1, then what is here 11. So 11, 2x plus 3 is into dx is what 2x plus 3 into dx is dt. So dt divided by x square plus 3x plus 7 is what t. So t, it's a integrate, then we know that it's a log of modulus t. The limit is what is here 5 to 11. So substitute the limit. So log modulus first limit is what 11, modulus 11 minus log modulus 5. So modulus value, it is a modulus then negative, then it is positive. So log 11 minus log 5. We know that the formula log a minus log b equal to log a by b is the formula. Log a by b. This formula we should use here. Log, what is the a is what 11 divided by b is what 5. So log 11 divided by 5 is the answer. 8th sum, there is 0 to pi by 2 root of 1 plus cos x into dx. Solution, let I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root of 1 plus cos x into dx. We know that the formula 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 is the formula. We should use this formula. I equal to integral 0 to 1 by pi by 2 root of 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So take the square root here. Integral 0 to pi by 2 root 2. Square root of 2 is what? Root 2. Cos square x by 2, square and square root is cancelled. Cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 into dx. Constant take out. I equal to root 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 2 into dx. We know that the formula integral cos ax into dx equal to sin ax divided by a plus c is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. I equal to root 2 So cos x by 2. A is what is here? 1 by 2 here. So it's integrate then. What is here? Sin ax. So sin x by 2 divided by a value is what? 1 by 2. So substitute the limit 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So root 2. It's a 1 by 2. We should take out. It's a reciprocal. Then what is here? Into 2. Sin x by 2 whole power 0 to pi by 2 is the limit. So 2 into root 2 is what? 2 root 2. Sin pi by 2, it's a limit substitute here. Sin x value is what? Pi by 2. We should substitute first limit. Pi by 2 divided by 2 minus x value is what? 0. Sin 0 divided by 2. Second limit. So that is equal to 2 root 2 sin pi by 2 divided by 2 is what? Pi divided by 4 minus sin 0 by 2 is what? Sin 0. That is equal to 2 root 2 into its value is what? Sin pi by 4 value is what? 1 divided by root 2 is a sin pi by 4 value. Sin 0 is what? 0. Sin 0 value is what? 0. That is equal to 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 0 is what? 1 by root 2. So root 2 cancel. 2 is the answer. Exercise 2.8 second Roman. Evaluate the following. First sum interval 1 to 4 f of x into dx, where f of x equal to limit 1 to 2 then 4x plus 3, 2 to 4 then 3x plus 5, f of x value. Solution interval 1 to 4 f of x into dx equal to, substitute the limiter, first limiter 1 to 2 f of x into dx plus interval, second limit is 2 to 4 f of x into dx. Now we should substitute interval 1 to 2 limit. Then what is f of x? 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 into dx plus interval 2 to 4 is the limit. 2 to 4 then 3x plus 5 is the limit. F of x 3x plus 5 into dx. Now integrate this value. 4x integrate then 4x square, 1 plus 1 is 2, x square divided by 2 plus 3 integrate then what is here? 3x. So limit is, we know that 1 to 2 plus integrate this value. 3x integrate then 3x square divided by 2 plus 5 integrate then 5x. Its limit is 2 to 4. Now substitute the limit. Substitute the first limit. 4 into 2 is the first limit. We should substitute 4 into 2 square divided by 2 plus 3 into x value 2 minus of the second limit. Substitute them before. Minus is the symbol. So minus of 1 is the second limit. We should substitute 4 into 1 square. X is what? 1 square divided by 2 plus 3 into 1. X is what? 1. Next plus is the symbol plus. Next we should substitute the limit here. 4 is the first limit. 3 into 4 square divided by 2 plus 5 into 4 minus of, next second limit is 2. Substitute here 3 into 2 square divided by 2 plus 5 into, second limit is what? 2. So now simplify. 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times. So 2 into 2 square is what? 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 and 2 is cancelled 2 times 2 into 1 square is 1 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 ones are 3 next plus 3 into 4 square is what 16 divided by 2 plus 5 fours are 20 minus 3 into 2 square is a 4 3 into 4 divided by 2 plus 5 is a 10 that is equal to 8 plus 6 is a 14 minus 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 2 and 16 is cancelled 8 times 3 8s are 24 plus 20 minus 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times 3 2s are 6 plus 10 Tell 1 to 4 f of x into dx equal to 14 minus 5 is 9 plus 24 plus 20 is 44 minus 6 plus 10 is 16 equal to 9 plus 44 minus 16 is 28. 9 plus 28 is 37. That's all. Integral 1 to 4 f of x dx is 37. Next is 2.8, third sum. Integral minus 1 to plus 1 f of x into dx, where f of x is equal to x greater than or equal to 0 minus x less than 0. So we should substitute this formula. Integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into dx equal to integral minus 1 to 0 f of x into dx. Next plus integral 0 to 1 limit 0 to 1 f of x into dx. That is equal to integral minus 1 to 0. It's a x less than 0. X less than 0, then what is f of x? Minus x. Minus x is the f of x. So minus x into dx plus integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1, then it's x greater than or equal to 0. So what is f of x? X into dx. Now we should we know that the formula integral a to b f of x into dx equal to minus integral interchange the limit b to a f of x into dx. So this is one of the formula. So we should interchange the limit, then it's we get minus sign. So what is here? Integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into dx equal to, what is the interchange the limit? Minus of integral 0 to 1 minus 1. 0 to minus 1 interchange, then symbol is what? Minus is a symbol. So we should take already in the function is minus x into dx plus integral 0 to 1 x into dx. Next is minus into minus is take minus is out, minus into minus is plus integral 0 to minus 1 x into dx plus integral 0 to 1 x into dx. Now we integrate this value, integral minus 1 to 1 f of x into dx equal to, it's integrate then x square divided by 2. X square divided by 2. The limit is 0 to minus 1. 0 to minus 1. Next is the symbol plus, plus integrate, then x integrate, then what is it? X square divided by 2. X square divided by 2. Its limit is 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. Now substitute the limit. Substitute the limit. First limit is minus 1. Now we should substitute minus 1 whole square divided by 2. Next minus is a symbol. Second limit is what? 0. 0 square divided by 2. Next plus. Substitute the limiter. 1 is the first limiter. 1 square divided by 2 minus second limit is 0. So 0 square divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1 whole square is what? 1. So 1 by 2 minus 0 square is 0. 0 divided by 2 is what? 0 plus 1 square is what? 1 divided by 2 minus 0 square is what? 0. 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. So 1 by 2 minus 0 is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 0 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 2 divided by 2. It is cancelled, and what is here? 1. That's all. Exercise 2.8 fourth sum. F of x function is c of x 0 less than x less than 1, then 0 to 1, then limiter it's a cx is the f of x value. Otherwise it's 0. F of x value is 0. Except 0 to 1 limiter is 0 f of x value. Then find c value we should find out. If interval 0 to 1 f of x into dx equal to 2, then so given interval 0 to 1 f of x into dx equal to 2. Interval 0 to 1 f of x into dx is equal to 2. We know that f of x in the limit 0 to 1 is what is cx. So substitute here interval 0 to 1 f of x value is what? Cx into dx equal to 2. C is a constant, take out c interval 0 to 1 into x into dx equal to 2. Now integrate this value, x integrate, then we get x square divided by 2. We know that. So we should substitute the limit 0 to 1 equal to 2. Now substitute the limit c into 1, substitute then first limiter 1 square divided by 2 minus 0, substitute then 0 square divided by 2 equal to 2. So c into 1 square is what? 1 divided by 2 minus 0 square is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0 equal to 2. Next c into 1 by 2 minus 0 is what? 1 by 2 equal to 2. So c equal to 1 by 2 we should take right hand side, 2 into, so reciprocal then 2 by 1. So c equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by 1 is what? 4. That's all. C value is 4.